All right, guys, Billy Tate here coming to you for day six of the 30-day on-camera challenge. I'm in my car today and going to talk to you here just for a second, then we're going to get going. We are heading over to French Valley Airport here in the Temecula Valley, and we're going to be taking a private plane up to Big Bear to go visit a new cabin for one of my best friends out here, and he's closing on that today and doing the final walkthrough. And I wanted to take a second to take you guys along. We're gonna do a little walk and talk through the property, and just gonna show you our adventures as we go along today. I thought I'd switch it up and do a little bit different and take you on adventure. So taking the 30-day on-camera challenge to get me out from behind the camera and in front of the camera talking to you and just sharing what we're doing. So gonna put this thing down and we're gonna take off and head to the airport. All right, see you there. Guys, we're about ready to pull up to the airport here. I'll get a shot here of coming into the gate, and then we'll get checked in and get ready to head out to this plane and go on a grand adventure. I'm kind of stoked to be able to take you guys along on this. I'm really kind of honored to be the first of my buddy's friends to be able to go check out this new place and help him do a walkthrough on it. And we're gonna take some drone shots. I brought the drone along with me today, and we're just gonna go out here and check this place out and get ready for him to start a new chapter in his life. And I'm super stoked to be able to use this place with him as well and get to go skiing and snowboarding with him and go check this place out. So here we are pulling on in. I'll get you guys turned around here.
Coffee, I bought this and I don't even feel like drinking it.
Look who just got here. This is Josh.
Do you want some coffee?
No, I'm good.
I bought it and didn't even drink it. I didn't even touch it.
You didn't touch it? You don't want it?
No. Just
Well,
black
why would
coffee
you
with
buy
cream.
it?
I was feeling like I wanted coffee, but I don't really. If you don't, I'll just probably toss it anyways.
This is the way
That is a cool camera.
This is the way this guy operates.
I'll keep here.
I'm a little nervous now.
Well, hi there.
Hey,
You ready to do this? Is this your first
Yeah.
time in a small plane?
first time, and I'm actually
Have you
excited.
done it much, Billy?
My dad's actually a pilot. So I have done it a few times. I'm excited. We're going to go check this out.
Yeah, I want that camera.
Let's get in this thing.
And when you get in, the seatbelt's under you there. The standard seatbelt will just do this thing. And Josh.
You excited?
Very noises.
Dear Lord Heavenly Father, we're going to pray right now for a hedge of protection. It's going to be fantastic.
I think you'll be okay, but these
Okay.
are kind of a little short.
Yeah,
tight.
yeah.
The
All
seatbelts back here. See if you can get that one around, Billy.
love the breakfast snack.
Yes.
Pretty awesome spot. Get morning sun right there. What an amazing property, huh, guys? I'm so happy for my buddy Josh that got this place, and it's going to be able to turn it into an investment property and be able to enjoy it with his family, and it's just amazing. All right, we'll see you when we get taken back off. Hey guys, post-editing in the editing bay, Billy here. I forgot to record an ending for this video while we were up in the airplane, up in Big Bear, and when we got back. I forgot to do it, so I'm going to do it here. But I just want to say thank you for coming along with me on this journey. This is the 30 days in front of the camera challenge where I try to get from out behind the camera out in front of the camera and share some of these adventures that we're going on and get more comfortable in front of the camera so that we can build more content to help you learn and build a community where we can all learn together. But what a fantastic trip this was today. Got to fly in a private airplane up to Big Bear, go visit my friend Josh's new cabin up in Big Bear Lake where he's going to be able to use that as an investment property, use it for men's ministry projects. We've already got some things planned. And I'm going to get to teach Peyton, who you saw in the video, how to snow ski this winter. So that's going to be fantastic. We're super happy and excited for them and just happy to celebrate and this new adventure for them. But guys, this is the end of day 6 for me for the 30-day challenge. I want to thank you for coming along on this journey with me. I want you to leave me any constructive criticism down below. Once again, this is not really so much about the video content right now. This whole program in this 30-day challenge is to get me in front of this camera and get it more comfortable. It's getting easier every single day. But that's my encouragement for anyone else that is taking this challenge, that just keep going. As you start getting more comfortable in front of the camera and envision the viewer watching this, your speech and your delivery and all of that's going to get much better, and your own personal character is going to come out, and your personality is going to just evolve into just talking like you're talking to your friends or if you're in a room of other people. So that's my encouragement to you. Just keep going. Guys, thank you so much for going along with me. I hope you have a fantastic day, and God bless. We'll see you on day 7.